Son más de 10 años metiéndole y todavía sueno como nuevo.
Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your desktop look awesome. First, hide your desktop icons. Now go to the Microsoft Store and search for Lively app. Download and open it. Let's add the video now. You can control the volume from here. Now open your browser. Download and install Rainmeter app. All links are in description. Then download the add-on file. Hit the download option. Make sure to turn off your antivirus before installing this file. Wait till the download finish. Click Get Started. Continue. Now click Proceed. Select I'll get 'em later. Now let's download the clock style. And wait till the download finish again. Now let's customize the clock we want. Select this one. Then scroll all the way down and select Customize Clock and Style option. Change the rotation to horizontal and the widget size to 0.8. Perfect. Now let's back to home page and go to Library. And select Modular Players. Hit the download icon. Wait for download to finish. Now let's customize the media player style. Select this one. And go to Style option. Now change the widget scale to 0.8. Now go back to clock style option. And change the color render background to 124,252,0. Cool. All done. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos. Thanks for watching.
Ya son más de 10 años metiéndole y todavía sueno como nuevo. Balvin no tiene relevo, me sobra el dinero, el respeto y los huevos. Yo, cada movimiento que hago, el juego otro nivel lo elevo. Tú sonaste, te apagaste y no lleva ni la mitad de lo que llevo.